Have you ever noticed those tiny raised bumps that suddenly appear on your skin when you're feeling chilly, or when something startles you? Maybe you've felt them during a scary movie, or when a cold breeze brushes past. Those are goosebumps, a quirky automatic reaction that happens without you even thinking about it. It's like your body's own little alarm system, switching on in response to the world around you. When goosebumps appear, your arm hairs stand straight up, and your skin takes on a bumpy texture, almost like the skin of a plucked goose, hence the name. But what's really going on here? Why does your body do this? Goosebumps are triggered when your body reacts to cold temperatures or powerful emotions like fear, excitement, or even awe. It's a reflex that happens in an instant, whether you want it to or not. This reaction is completely involuntary. You can't make it happen just by wishing for it. It's your body's way of responding to the environment, a built-in reflex that's been with us for ages. In fact, this odd little reaction connects us to our animal ancestors. When animals get cold or scared, their fur stands on end, making them look bigger or helping them stay warm. Our goosebumps are a leftover from that evolutionary past. So, in a way, every time you get goosebumps, you're experiencing a living mystery, one that's written right on your skin, connecting you to creatures from long ago. But what's really happening beneath the surface? What causes those tiny bumps to rise up, and why do they appear so suddenly? Let's take a closer look and dive into the fascinating science behind this prickly puzzle. There's more to goosebumps than meets the eye. Get ready. The answer is more surprising and intriguing than you might ever have imagined. The secret to goosebumps? Tiny muscles called erector pili at the base of every hair. When you get cold, your brain's thermostat, the hypothalamus, sends a signal to these muscles. They contract, pulling your hairs upright and puckering your skin. This reflex is called thermoregulation, your body's attempt to trap warm air and keep you cozy. For our hairy ancestors, this was like putting on a natural fur coat. Today, it's a leftover survival trick, more symbolic than useful. Next time you shiver, remember, millions of tiny muscles are working together, following ancient instructions. That's teamwork on a microscopic scale. If you want to see goosebumps in action, just take a look at animals like cats. Their bodies are covered in fur, and when they get startled or excited, you can actually see their fur puff up dramatically. It's a visible, almost cartoonish reaction that's hard to miss. When a cat feels cold, its fur stands on end, trapping more air and helping it stay warm. But when a cat is frightened or feels threatened, the same reflex kicks in. Its fur puffs up, making the cat look much bigger and more intimidating to any potential danger. This clever trick helps them survive in the wild. This reaction is actually the same basic reflex that causes goosebumps in humans. The difference is, with all that fur, it's much more noticeable and effective in animals. For us, it's just tiny bumps on our skin, but for them, it's a full-body transformation. Our distant ancestors, who were much hairier than we are today, used this same trick. When they were cold, their body hair would stand up to trap heat, keeping them warmer. And when they faced danger, their hair would rise, making them appear larger and more threatening to predators or rivals. Over thousands of generations, as humans evolved and gradually lost most of their body hair, we stopped relying on this reflex for survival. Our bodies changed, but the ancient wiring behind goosebumps never completely disappeared. Today, that same reflex still lives on inside us. It's a subtle but powerful reminder that deep down, we share a common history with the rest of the animal kingdom. When you get goosebumps, you're experiencing a living connection to your furry relatives. Goosebumps are like a biological echo, a faint memory from a time when our ancestors relied on their body hair for warmth and protection. Even if we don't look any scarier or fluffier when we get goosebumps, the story of our evolution is still written right there in our skin, one tiny bump at a time. Goosebumps aren't just about cold. They can be triggered by powerful emotions. That spine-tingling feeling during a moving song or movie, it's called frisson. Your brain releases adrenaline, activating the same fight or flight response as fear. The result, your tiny muscles contract and goosebumps appear. Music and art can tap into ancient survival pathways, blending emotion and biology. Your body reacts to awe and excitement just like it does to danger. It's proof that our minds and bodies are deeply connected. Next time you get chills from a song, know it's your primal biology in action. Goosebumps are a window into the wonders of your body, a living science lab. They appear when you're cold, scared, or even when you feel a strong emotion. This simple reaction is a fascinating glimpse into how our bodies have evolved over millions of years. This simple reflex tells a story of evolution, survival, and the link between emotion and biology. It's a reminder of our connection to the animal kingdom, where fur would stand on end to make creatures look bigger and more intimidating. Your body holds countless secrets, each with its own fascinating history. From the way your heart beats to the way your lungs fill with air, every function has a story to tell. Every shiver, yawn, or hiccup is a clue to how you work. These small, everyday actions are not just random, they are part of the intricate design of your body. Stay curious, explore, ask questions, and discover the science behind your everyday experiences. The more you investigate, the more you'll uncover the amazing processes that keep you alive and thriving. The more you learn, the more you'll appreciate your incredible body. Each new fact is a piece of the puzzle that makes up the story of you. Next time you spot goosebumps, remember, you're seeing millions of years of evolution in action. It's a small but powerful reminder of the journey your body has taken through time. Keep exploring the mysteries within you. There's always something new to learn, and each discovery brings you closer to understanding the incredible machine that is your body. What will you investigate next on your journey of discovery? The adventure of learning about your body is endless and always rewarding.